Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to back up your Shopify store. Actually, there are two ways to do that. One is to take the backup of every item like products, select all and export in CSV format. Then customers, select all, export. Then theme, download theme file, same like the order. This is the way to download or backup your Shopify store one by one. Another option is to install an app, which is a paid solution. You have to click to app. Here you have to type backup. Go to store. You will find an option here, rewind backup. You can see here is another app. Here is another app. You can install this one. Add app. Now you have to install this app. You have to select a plan, approve this, go to Vault. Here is all the items of your Shopify store. You have to click backup. Backup is in process now. It will take some time depending upon the amount of data. Now you can see our backup has completed. You can also restore your data from advanced store. If you want to restore the product and you have at which position you want, select the date and then click this button. That's the end of today's discussion. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.